In construction projects, files circulate among different teams and platforms, making collaboration challenging. The difficulty of finding the latest 3D models, drawings, or documents impacts our clients' bottom line. This is why we developed Vertex Sync. Vertex Sync is designed to be the brain of your construction project. Vertex Sync is a cloud-based project collaboration and documentation platform for professionals. Now you can put all your valuable project data into one secure place. In Vertex Sync, you choose who can access and upload not only 3D models and documents, but all critical project files without fear of ever losing them. Vertex Sync allows you to easily find and organize files, manage access, and share information. Vertex Sync is everything you need to view, share, stay up to date, and collaborate on projects in one place. You can connect with your team using Vertex Sync immediately. Find out more on our website.